Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another video. Today is a review of the Get Paid To site Mypoints. You can sign up for this site with the link in the description, get a $2 bonus. So, the reason that I love this is another one of the sites that I first started with, Mypoints and Swagbucks, and then I added Prize Rebel to it. It's just like Swagbucks. You can shop and earn points. You can sign up for deals. You can do surveys. You can add magic receipts just like on Swagbucks. You can play games for money. You can get points for booking travel. And you can also play bingo, sweepstakes, your to-do list, daily poll, download score, search and earn, my rewards blog, refer and earn. So if we go to refer and earn, okay, get 480 point bonus. Now, with Mypoints, 480 is $4.80. Okay, get $7.50 point bonus and get 10% for life. So I'm going to take my referral link and I'm going to put it in the description of this video. If you want to sign up for Mypoints, you get a $2 bonus. Um, you can sign up just like this. You do a daily goal and you complete 5 of the tasks and you get a bonus. I get 5 point bonus. Okay, if I complete 9, I get a 15 point bonus. So if I vote in the daily poll, just click it and it says, what is your ideal non-alcoholic winter morning beverage? I'm going to say coffee. Okay. And then we'll go to deal of the day. It'll open up another page. This is so easy, guys. I do this every day. You'll see my point balance updated from 4 to 5 because I did the daily poll. I don't want to play any games. So if I add a magic receipt, so I can add any of these. So if I add this to my deals, it just did some of my, it just did it. Um, I have the MyPoints app. If you log into the MyPoints app, um, you get points as well. So I'll be doing that as well. Earn points from Discover. Let's see. We'll click that. Take a 1 minute quiz and earn. You can earn 144 points if you do that. If you sign up for any of these, you can get points. Here's their uh, offers. So if I went to Revenue Universe or RevU, it's called, but it's Rev Universe. And this to me is like a no-brainer, guys, because I love doing offers. So I'll go to free offers. So I don't have to pay anything, okay? Get your reward in minutes, 126 points. Register for your chance to win a $1,000 Cash App gift card, $1.21. Um, well, we can scroll down and see if you're gonna register to get a 25 Dunkin' Donut card. Make sure you clear your cache every time you do one of these so you get credited. Um, you can also do surveys and earn points as well. Um, add any receipt and you get 2 points. So you can do all of these. 520 points, $5.20, $8, 240 points, $2.40, 400 points. You just have to be consistent. I like surveys, I do them. Let's see if you go to perk points or point perks, if they give you a promo code, you can put it here and redeem it. If you refer, you get money. If you do your daily goal, It tells you your daily goal right here, just like it did up here. Um, and I just do those simple tasks every single day. It's not stressful. It's not hard. It doesn't take much of your time. Um, so you can go through the reward store and you can go rewards I can afford, on sale rewards, $1 to $5, 10 to 50, or 100 plus. So you can scroll through here and just like on swag bucks and prize rebel, there's tons and tons of gift cards. There's no reason that you should ever have to pay for coffee every morning or pizza every week, because if you make $5 a day for 7 days, 5 times 7, 7 times 5 is 35. $35 a week that you can do whatever you want with. Or you can get PayPal. If you want PayPal, get PayPal. There is so many um, rewards with this. There's so if you go to Mypoints and you make $5 on Mypoints a day, and then you go to Swag Bucks and you make another $5, then you go to Prize Roll, make another $5. That's $15 a day, and it doesn't even take that much time. You just got to sit down and grind out. You can pay off debt. You can buy gas. You can pay a bill. You can start a savings account. You can use this money to start digital marketing in my previous videos. Um, so I wanted to do, if you like to play games on your phone, because MyPoints has an app, you can literally like choose the kind of game that you like to play, and you can play this game. Uh, Let me see. Fish Fortune. Let's see. It'll tell you the requirements, okay? So you're going to install it. You're going to go to level 5. You're going to get 37 points. Complete level 10, 55 points, 74 points, 100 points, 151 points, 210 points. Like they want you to go all the way up to um 260, and then they want you to complete a sticker book, make 3 purchases, complete 5 purchases or 10 purchases. So it's completely up to you what you want to do. Um, if you're going to go grocery shopping, make sure you check your magic receipts first. If you're going to shop on Walmart or eBay or Amazon, make sure you do it through these shopping portals, because you're going to get points back. If you're going to sign up for anything, um, if you're going to sign up for anything, make sure you check your top earning offers. Let's see. Today's viral stories earn 2 points. So all I have to do is click this, save with coupons. It doesn't require purchase, must click at least 5 top ways to save links to earn. You'll be rewarded instantly. So if I let this load, one, two, three, 4, and 5. We'll do this one just for shits and giggles. Um, then we can go back to Mypoints and we can click out of this. We can refresh our points by clicking this, and the point should load. You should get 2 points for that. It might take a couple minutes, but Total I've earned from them is 16,249 points. Okay. So I haven't done anything on this site for a while, but that's going to change because I'm going to start giving you guys walkthroughs of how to do everything. So on my to-do list, it says I've done 3 of 9 items. I have to do 2 more at least to get my points for the day. Um, if I attempt a survey, if I activate score, if I log into the mobile app, if I upload a magic receipt, which you can do that with anything. Everywhere you have a receipt. So you can upload a receipt and get your points that way. But I just wanted to do this video to show people that you can use these sites every single day to make money online. You don't have to be broke in 2026. You can make side income. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you guys tomorrow on the next video. Have a great day.